Okay, I drove my truck to and from work with my new power steering pump and pulley installed. It works great. The brakes work better, steering works better, it's quieter. Everything on the truck just functions better with this new power steering pump. I wanted to share with you one of the things that I figured out just to save you a little bit of time. The one steel line on the back of the reservoir, there's only one, the other two are just low pressure hoses. Make sure that when you install it over the top of the steel line coming off the back of the reservoir. I found it easier to just install the power steering pump and pulley assembly on the accessory bracket, which is this entire piece I painted silver. Just install everything on there first, and then install it back in the truck, and then put your alternator back on. It's much easier, and I'm really pleased with how well it drives. A piece of advice: don't buy a used or remanufactured alternator. Just stick with a Delphi brand alternator. The alternator that I purchased out of LKQ, it it didn't exactly work like it's supposed to. The voltage regulator was off, and it was charging like 14 to 20 volts. I took a video of it. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.